What's going on, guys? It is your boy, Mr. Nolan here. All right, this video is going to be kind of short and sweet. We are finding the area of the shaded region on composite figures. So let me go ahead and share my screen. All right, so notice I have two shapes here. The first shape is the rectangle. So I'm going to redraw it. The rectangle has a length of 18 and a width of 8. So what is 18 times 8? Well, let's see. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 6 is 14. So the area of the rectangle is 144 inches square. Okay. So I'm going to circle that because I need to know that number. But now I need to find the area of the triangle. So here's my triangle. Well, guys, this piece right here is 8 inches. That's what it tells me. But think about it. If this is 8 inches, this side over here is also 8 inches. Now, guys, the formula for a triangle, base times height divided by 2. So 8 times 8, whatever we get there, we're going to divide by 2. Well, guys, 8 times 8 is 64. 64 divided by 2 is 32. So your triangle is 32 inches squared. Your rectangle is 144 inches squared. Now, guys, we said to find the area of the shaded region. So you take this piece, which is the entire picture, and we're going to subtract the non-shaded area. And you should get 112 inches squared. There is your final answer. Bada bing, bada boom. I'll even put final answer. All right, this next one's going to be fun because we actually have a big triangle, which is 6 by 9. And we have this small triangle. Guys, you'll see the small triangle right here. Now, this piece right here, the bottom, the base is 2. Now, think about the height. This entire thing is 9. I just need this piece. So think about it. If this entire piece is 9 and I use 6 of it, how much is left? 3. So the height is 3. All right. So again, the formula for a triangle. Base times height divided by 2. So 9 times 6. And we're going to divide that by 2. Well, guys, 9 times 6 is 54. 54 divided by 2 is 27. So this one is 27 yards squared. That's the big triangle. And here's the small triangle. So again, base times height. So 3 times 2 is 6 divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So what you're going to do is big triangle minus small triangle. The big triangle was 27 yards squared minus the small triangle is 3 yards squared. So 27 minus 3 is 24 yards squared. There is your final answer. All right, you guys ready for this one? I want y'all to try this one on your own. I'm just kidding. We're not even doing it. It's too hard. It's something we're not really going to be covering. So we're not even going to do it. But we are going to do this one. Now, guys, This one's going to be kind of different because we have three shapes. We have the big rectangle. Then we have the two small squares. Well, guys, let's start with the square. This is 8 by 8. So what is 8 times 8? Well, it's 64. And again, this one down here is also 8 by 8. So it's also 64 feet squared. Now we got to get the big rectangle. Now, guys, think about it. From here to here is only 32, but we have this extra 8. So what is 32 plus 8? 40. So the length of the rectangle is actually 40. This length of the entire one, 8 plus 8 is 16. So it's 40 by 16. So let's multiply. What is 40 times 16? 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 4 is 24. Second row add a 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. Add straight down. You get 640. So guys, to get our final answer, you take the big rectangle and we're going to subtract the two non-shaded squares. So 640 minus 64. And let's see, I get 576. And then you have to subtract another 64. So we got to subtract this 64 now. And let's see, I got 512 feet squared. That is the area of the shaded region. And that is my final answer. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. I will talk to y'all soon. All right, bye, guys.